What up, YouTube, man? We back out here Monday. We about to go ahead and head to the city, get this paint to the paint shop. We about to load up the truck right now as we speak. I have to clear it out, man, because you know your boy be having recyclables and all type of stuff up in here. So we got to clear it out, man. It's time to load up and execute. So that's what we about to do for today. Got the chrome shining, looking good. We about to load up though, man. Stay tuned. Yes, sir, we done made it to LA, man. I'm pulling to my mom's. I got some packages that came here for our 2015 ROADGLIDE. Thank God, man. I've been crossing my fingers, hoping everything come before Friday, which it should. But the faster it comes, the better it's gonna be. So that's the main thing that got me, that got me amped up and excited right now. But we're about to go ahead and slide to Antonio. So stay tuned, man. We're about to pull up with it. Okay, no, that's cool, that's cool. They looking good, man. We got them send it down. Hell yeah, that's A1. We on the way, man. Antonio getting to it. Y'all got some more cars? I got the Monte Carlo. Now that's real shit. Mm-hmm. This look good. This look good. Woo! See the little accident. Nah, you right. You for sure right. This shit look good. What color y'all doing it?
Like pearl white.
Pearl white? That's gonna be clean. Yep. Get this paint. Carlo look good back there too, Antonio. We got it all laid out. Yeah, he said he's doing a pearl white. The silver Monte Carlo. Yeah, that one look good, man.
Vegas.
Oh, Vegas. Oh, it do got the Vegas license plates. You're right, you're right. Cheese or this one. Ashton?
Yep.
Oh, it's one of his friends. Yep. Oh, I'm not sure. Hell nah.
You know the guy?
Is it Jefe? Is he a jeweler? Get the fuck out of here. This came from Texas? His friend. That gotta be him.
Randy?
Randy, damn, that's the jeweler. Damn, this one's in Texas. Wow, check Randy out. Check him out. Hey, that's crazy. And he got the T-top, damn. Wow, that's crazy. I'm about to send him a video, man. Hey, that's crazy. That's crazy. Check the homie out. Straight from Texas to Vegas. He got this thing juiced up. That's nuts. Wow, that just motivated me. Hey, Antonio, man, we gotta see what's up with my car, man. I need you to paint this shit. For real, for real. We done made it to the homie shop. He got me real fucked up using, oh, no, no, no. That's a brand new helmet.
Nice try, nigga.
Nigga, please, I know this too tight for your head. You know what? I'll take 250 right now. Yeah. You don't even gotta do nothing. Yeah. I'll take 250 right now. Uh-huh. Homie is a fool. Y'all niggas got all the snacks. This nigga low, man. Shit.
You on YouTube? That's a whole lot of fuck with you. A whole lot of West, my man. Pull up, man. You know we at 10 to 6 every day. It don't stop, man.
Yeah, y'all see, they got everything in here you need. Got the snacks for the kids. We got all the food. They got some damn baby chickens. That's crazy. Damn. You know, I gotta come back with some money because Ace needs some of this for sure. I'm about to slide though, man. Yeah, sorry, man. We done made it back to the house. We had a long day in LA riding around, getting everything done. Finally went to Antonio's shop. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, he got me pissed off right now because as soon as I made it home, I get a text message from Antonio saying the paint was done, ready to go. So I'm literally over here mad right now, but I ain't tripping because I know at the end of the day, man, that paint is ready, waiting on your boy. So tomorrow morning, we're picking up the paint set for our 2015 second place ROADGLIDE. So make sure you get in it to win it right now for $25 at 20 spots. Grab you a last call sliding sticker for our silver bullet giveaway. We're going live this week, man, this Friday, 3/31/23. So make sure you're in to win it because I'm telling you, man, I told y'all earlier, I said, dude, wait till we get the paint set. Y'all see the silver bullet right here looking good and juiced up. I tried to go to the rim shop in LA, but I got to LA way too late after like 3 o'clock. So tomorrow's going to be the day we're going to get the rims for this joint. So stay tuned for that. Besides that, we got second place right here looking iced up and good. Like I said, we got the whole paint set finally done. So tomorrow, this bike should look directly like this one. So stay tuned for that. I also got one of my boxes in the mail right here. for all of the pieces for inside of the fairing that hold everything together. So we got 4 boxes coming. I got this whole radio bracket, plus the gauges, the speaker covers, the glove box, and a ventilation system. So everything is on the way for this bike, arriving within the next few hours. So stay tuned for that, y'all. I'm telling y'all, we got first place and second, plus a third place we haven't announced yet. But like I said, you got to get in to win it to find out what it is. I'm telling you, man, we're giving these things away this Friday, man. This Friday, we're going live after all the time. That's what I'm telling y'all. You got 25 to spend, secure your 25 spots. If you got more to spend, secure 50 to 100, because I'm telling you, what you want to go home with, you got the opportunity, man. I'm telling you, I can't wait, man. It's game time. Y'all see what's going on. We about to have everything complete. But stay tuned, man. I'm about to go ahead and get to it, get these orders sent out for y'all, and be on our way. So make sure you enter the win to Silver Bullet giveaway, y'all. We sliding, not high.